Hi everybody. Today we have up for review a Grace Karen retro dress. This is a, it doesn't look like it's a full dress, it's a skirt. But the description on this is that it is a women's 50s vintage rockabilly skirt. So you can kind of tell that here with all the little floofing stuff that comes out. And this is actually the inside. So it's shipped inside out. Flip it around the other way. And there, that looks a little bit nicer. So now you guys can kind of see, the material. It's partially see-through there, but then it does have that slip on the inside, which is completely opaque, so you can't see through that. And as far as this, there's two layers to this little lacy see-through stuff on the outside, and that's how you get that, that big body to it, I guess. And then, of course, the inside layer. Up here at the top, you've got an elastic waist. Well, I'm not sure exactly where this is going to go. This is probably going to go around like your mid-stomach or something, I imagine. But it is elastic there, around where probably the hips would go, and then that part as well. So it should fit a variety of sizes. In this case, this is a size small. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at, unstretched, how big is it across? Sorry, that was off camera. Unstretched, it's about 12 inches across. So if you were to stretch it, you could get considerably more out of it. Very comfortable 15 inches, and then it would go even further if you needed to, so 30 inches around. As far as this part here, I don't know exactly that I can measure that so well without stretching it. I really don't know. Without stretching it, is that about 16 inches, so 32 across, and very easily stretches up to 20 or 40 inches all the way around. So anyways, really interesting material. Really interesting skirt. We'll try to get it worn and get some review for you on here. Just taking a look at the stitching. I mean, it all looks pretty solid, pretty good. I mean, this isn't just some cheap, like one pass. This is this is actually a really good stitch there that's going to hold that down. So, anyways, we'll get some trial in on this. Hopefully, get some good pictures for it as well. And anybody has any questions, comments, make sure to ask. Get to them as soon as we can. And I was sent this for free in exchange for the review. Thanks.